Yesterday we have seen about bond order and orbital, molecular orbital. So in that, which is important one, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, it goes on like this. The last energy level which is having more is sigma star 2pz. This is applicable for 14 and less than 14. So if number of electrons in the molecule is 14, then bond order is 3. So you can by heart this one. So need not to calculate. Without calculating, you can apply this rule for writing one word answers. If number of electron is the 14, 3, 13, 2.5, 12, 2, 11, 1.5, 10, 1. So if it increases 15 to 20, if 15 means 2.5, 16 to 17, 1.5, 18, 1. So number of electrons and bond order, this one you can by heart it. From 14 again it decreases, from 14 above it increases. So here one question, which has more same bond order as nitrogen. So nitrogen has 14 electron. Here this given is Cn, CO, O2, NO plus. Cn has 6 plus 7. 13 electrons. So 13 electron is there, means what is the bond order? 2.5, and it is unpaired paramagnetic. Okay, that's it. So if it is unpaired electron, it is paramagnetic. CO 6 plus 8, 14. So the bond order is 3. So bond order is 3, it has 14 electron. Nitrogen also have 14. Oxygen 8 plus 8, 16. NO plus 7 plus 8 actually, and 15, one more electron, one electron leaving, so that it turns to 14. So NO plus have 14 electrons. 15 minus 1 electron, so it has 14 electrons. If it has 14 electron, what is the bond order? 3 is the bond order. So CO and NO plus have same bond order as N2. So this you can use for which is more stable, which is less stable, which is less or more bond order. For this all those questions you can answer by using this. Which is having more energy, which is having less energy. For all those you can utilize this. Next, let us see energy level diagram. How to draw the energy level diagram. We know that order sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2px, pi 2py, sigma 2pz, pi star 2p. This is for less than 14 electron. If it has more than 14, that means 15 to 20 electron, only the change will occur after sigma star 2s, sigma 2pz will come. After sigma star 2s, 2pz will come. Next, pi 2px, pi 2py, pi star 2px, pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. It goes in such a way. So that is for 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Now let us see the example of nitrogen molecule. So actually atomic orbital is more energy than bonding molecular orbital. Antibonding molecular orbital is more energy than atomic orbital. Nitrogen has 14 electron. So 1s2 electron and another 1s 2 electron. So sigma 1s has 2, sigma star 1s, 2s 2 electron, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. When you see the 2p orbital has 3 orbital x, y, z. So px and py, 2px and 2py has 2 electrons. And next is 2pz. So when 2pz means it is sigma overlapping. So this is the order for molecular orbital energy diagram for nitrogen molecule. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, 2p, pi 2pxy, equal to pi 2p y. And next 2 electron will go to sigma 2p z contains 2 electrons. So 14 electrons have combined. Now you can calculate the bond order by using bonding electron and anti-bonding electron. When you calculate it, it will come like 10 minus 4 by 2, 6 by 2, 3. Next 15, more than 15 and less than 20. For this oxygen, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2pz2. That's a change. In 15 onwards, this change will come. Sigma star 2s after sigma 2pz will come. Next pi 2px, pi 2py, pi star 2px, pi star 2py. So pi star 2px contain 1, pi star 2py contain 1. So the bond order is 6 minus 2 by 2, 2 bond order. So oxygen has 2 bond order. So it fill in such a way. So you can practice this energy level diagram by drawing this type of orbital. So bond order for nitrogen 10 minus 4 by 2, that is 6 by 2, so 3. So nitrogen has 3 bond between the atom. So nitrogen molecule has 3 bond. Oxygen has 2 bond. So next one example, O2 plus O2 minus, O2 2 minus. So O2 has 16 electrons, so O2 plus has 15. O2 minus has 17 electron. O2 2 minus has 18. So you can use that formula. If 15 2.5, 17 1.5, 18 1. So you can calculate the bond order by using this formula.